everyone. Are you looking for a way to achieve financial freedom and retire early? If so, you're in the right place. On Rich Ripples, we provide personal finance and early retirement guidance to help you make smart choices and reach your financial goals. In this video, we'll explore the keys to achieving early retirement so you can start planning your own retirement journey. We'll discuss topics such as budgeting, investing, and saving, so you can begin building the financial foundation necessary for early retirement. With the right strategies and mindset, you can make your dream of retiring early a reality. On this channel, I will discuss the keys to achieving early retirement. Stay tuned and thank you. Have plan. Creating a plan for early retirement is essential if you want to achieve your goals. First and foremost, you should determine what your financial goals are and when you would like to reach them. You can then use this information to create a timeline of steps you need to take to achieve your desired retirement age. It's important to set realistic goals that you can actually achieve. Break these larger goals down into smaller, more attainable goals and create actionable steps that you can take on a regular basis to ensure progress. This could include saving a certain percentage of your income each month, researching the best investment strategies, or taking advantage of employer benefits. To make sure that you stay motivated and keep track of your progress, it's a good idea to create a retirement plan spreadsheet. Here you can list out each step in your plan and track your progress as you move forward. This will allow you to see how far you've come and make adjustments along the way if necessary. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is one of the most important things you can do to ensure a successful and comfortable retirement. Investing in yourself can mean a variety of things such as acquiring new skills, learning new concepts, and gaining knowledge that can help you in the future. Additionally, investing in yourself can also mean taking care of your physical and mental health by exercising regularly and eating healthy. When it comes to investing in yourself financially, the best approach is to think long-term. Consider ways you can increase your income or cut down on unnecessary expenses. For example, getting an education or certifications can help increase your earning potential. Similarly, reducing lifestyle expenses or opting for a simpler lifestyle can also help save money for retirement. Automate your finances. Automation is one of the most powerful tools when it comes to reaching financial freedom and early retirement. Automating your finances can help you save time, eliminate stress, and stay organized. The best way to do this is to set up an automated system where your income and expenses are managed on autopilot. When it comes to automating your finances, there are a few key things you should consider. First, decide how much money you want to set aside for monthly expenses such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and other necessary bills. Once you have determined the amount, you can set up a system to automatically withdraw this amount from your bank account each month. This will ensure that you always have the money you need for these expenses without having to remember to make the payments each month. Next, you should automate your savings. This can be done by setting up an automated transfer from your bank account into a savings account each month. This will ensure that your savings are growing and that you are actively working towards achieving your financial goals. Invest early and often. One of the most important steps in achieving early retirement is to invest early and often. Investing early gives you the advantage of compound interest, and the longer you invest, the more money you will have when it's time to retire. The more you invest, the more money you can make. However, investing can be intimidating. Where should you start? One of the best ways to start investing is to open a retirement account, like a 401k or an IRA. These accounts allow you to save money while taking advantage of tax benefits and employer matches. You can also choose from a variety of investment options such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and index funds. Once you've chosen a retirement account and an investment strategy, you should commit to investing regularly. Automate your investments as much as possible by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your retirement account. This way, you don't have to remember to make a transfer each month, and you can maximize the effects of compound interest. Thanks for watching. For more views and updates about the keys to achieving early retirement, subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned. Thank you.